In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys and Data Services. And click on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is off. To switch it back on, click on the same no gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!